the topic is on how to use a mobile app. So first of all, why should you be using a mobile app? Well, there's several key reasons really. Firstly, it can be used on the go. You can update at any time. So if you have a spare 5 minutes before your networking meeting or you're at a loose end, you can go on the app and do an update. You don't have to wait till you're actually back at your desk. And the other thing people forget is that the app is actually free with your membership. So there's nothing extra to pay and it's actually included in your membership fee. So why updating your profile? Well, first of all, it's the first reference. If anybody searches for your name, either just types in Google BNI and your name or goes on BNI Connect and searches your name, it's the first thing they will see. And secondly, it will help me if I have to, when I do your intro for your feature presentation. So basic update. So if you open the app, this is the main screen. If you tap on your profile, this is the menu you'll see. So the first thing is updating your photo. So if you tap on that little camera icon here on the right, you'll see that it brings up your existing photo. And there's two options here. So camera means I can tap on the camera and take a live photo while I'm on the phone, which is a good feature of the app, which you can't do in the web version. And album will actually bring up all the photos in what's in your photo reel, and you can pick from an existing photo. And your account settings, this is where you can change who can actually see all your details. So you can do it to all, just your connections or none. So you can set your privacy settings here. So updating your profile in the app. So it's very similar to the BNI Connect mobile, the BNI Connect on the web. The only difference is you can actually use the in-app keyboard. So all the information is exactly the same. You don't have to do one on the website. It will update both. So if you update on the website, it will update on the app and vice versa. And here's where you can put all your bio info, your gains, your tops. So everything that kind of you want to know, that you want people to know about yourself. So bits about what you're doing in business, what your likes are, those sort of things. So these can all be updated very easily. So searching for contacts. So in the middle of the bar, there's a community tab. If you tap on that, you'll get this menu come up. And if you tap on connections, you'll see this menu pops up. So I've got 41 connections. So if I tap on there, I'm then able to search for a member. So as an example, I was looking up Claire for doing her feature presentation later, and this is what I found. And as you can see, it brings up her whole profile, her image, her details, and everything else. And I can just tap, if I wanted to send an email, I can tap on the email icon. I could phone, I could tap on any of these, and it's quite easy to use. So sharing your profile. So there's two ways to share your profile. There's a share my profile button. If you tap on that, that will brings up your latest contacts and the apps that you can share on. Or the second way is to do the share V card option. So that brings up this QR code, and that's quite handy if you're in a face-to-face environment and somebody can actually use a barcode scanner to then access your profile. So that's all I have for today. Anybody have any questions?